Hi guys, in this class I will share a exercise 1.1 and I also provide a solution for this exercise. Exercise 1.1 is that write a Python program to get two numbers from the user. You know that we have discussed about input method. Input method is a method that is used to get anything else from the user. And then after getting two numbers from the user, store in two variable. For example, we will create a and b. Other variable you can also create, for example, val1 val2 or num1 num2, and perform arithmetic operations, for example addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or also modulus on that numbers. Final display result to user. This is a task or exercise 1.1. I open Visual Studio Code and provide a solution for this exercise. In Visual Studio Code, I have to create a new file and save this file exercise 1.1.py. So in that exercise, what I have to do, I have to get two number from user and then store in two variable and then perform addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and modulus, and display final result to user. So at first I will use a input method, enter a number, enter, or I can write first number. Anything else you get from the user, it will be in the form of string, means double quotation. I have to convert that string number to numeric integer or numeric number. I will use a int method that will convert a double quoted number, string number, to integer, because when you get a number from the user, it will be in the form of in this way, means double quotation. I have to convert this 4 into this 4 without double quotation. That is why I use int method. That number should be stored in num1 variable, and then I will use another, or just copy and paste here, and this will be a 2. Enter second number. And then what I have to do, I have to perform arithmetic operations, for example addition, num1 plus num2, this will be addition, and then change symbol, this will be subtraction, division, multiplication, and this will be a modulus. And then execute this file, enter first number 10, second number is for example 23. You can see that all the result are displaying here. I have to display a user readable string, for example addition, plus symbol is used to concatenate. Concatenate means to add, to display with each other. I want to include this string with this number. First number is this, second number is this. You can see that type error, addition plus num1 plus num2 can only concatenate str to str. You can see that this is a str, means string. Say that this is not str, it should be str, means should be string. I have to convert this integer number to string. In this way I convert string to integer. Now in this case I have to convert integer to string. That is why I use a method str that will convert this integer to str. Now I want to concatenate this integer with this string. You cannot concatenate string with number or integer. That is why I convert integer to string, then it will become a string, and this is also string. Now execute first number, second number. You can see that addition, I just equal sign, just copy paste. It will be a subtraction, Division, multiplication. It will be a modulus. Just change symbol. It will be a division. It will be a multiplication. This will be a modulus. And then execute this file. 10, 23. You can see that addition equal to 33, subtraction equal to, division equal to, multiplication equal to, and modulus equal to. So these are different arithmetic operations that we perform on the user to enter number. So first of all, I got two number from the user, convert to integer, store in num1 and num2, and then display result to user. So if you have any confusion, you can share with me.